Hi, I'm Erin Lash with Team ISSA, and I have been working with our ISSA Show Committee to put together the program for this year's ISSA Show North America. And we want to share with you the top 5 reasons that you need to be at the show.
Excuse me, Erin. I know ISSA wants you to encourage residential cleaning companies to come to the show, but I think they should stay home.
What are you talking about, Robin?
No, I'm serious. Instead of giving 5 reasons to go to the ISSA show, let's give 5 reasons not to come. I'll start with number 1, hiring strategy. Who needs it when you can play the guess who's confident game with job applicants? We can bypass the pulse check requirement if we're good with a team of zombies. Hey, life is too short for values hires who will thrill your customers, be a boon for business, and give you peace of mind. I wonder what number 2 is.
Leadership, Smeadership. Why waste time upping your leadership style and management techniques? You can just stick to leading by randomly assigning chores and making all important decisions based on coin flips and rock, paper, scissors. I wonder what number 3 is.
And number 3, team bonding? More like team bondage, am I right? Who needs engaged employees when you can enjoy the thrill of deciphering passive-aggressive sticky notes and eye rolls? Who needs motivation when you've got cryptic messages? Now that's what I call interactive. Come on, TJ, give us number 4.
Number 4, automation overload. Why invest in time-saving technology and automation when you can relish in the use of your yellow pad and snail mail? Who needs more efficient ways? You can go ahead and trust your handy-dandy yellow pad, and if you need to, you can get yourself a pigeon. Wonder what number 5 is.
Number 5, meeting new people who understand your business and can offer valuable insights. Oh, the horror. Instead, why not bask in the glory of solitude and engage in intense conversation with your mop and bucket? Who needs networking when you can have a heart-to-heart with a dust bunny?
Thank you, everyone. Okay, these are ludicrous reasons not to go to the ISSA show. If you are focused on business growth, leading and engaging your employees, and plugging into your cleaning community, then you need to be at the ISSA Show North America. We'll be in Las Vegas, November 13th to the 16th. I hope to see you there. Now, I need to go. I have a manual typewriter to plug into. Happy cleaning.